Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Analogies. In today's video we are going to be talking about Solana, a brief history about Solana, and how Solana works and its uses. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Give this video a like. And also turn on the bell notification icon, so you easily get notified when we upload new videos. And to my returning subscribers, you are warmly welcome. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Solana is a type of cryptocurrency or digital currency that exists exclusively online. Solana was initially released in April 2019 and started trading at less than $1 per coin. Since then, its price has risen remarkably fast, and as of November 2021, Solana traded for more than $200. It's among the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by total value, according to CoinMarketCap. Also, Solana co-founder Anatoly Yakovenko published a white paper in November 2017, describing the proof of history, also called the POE concept. POE is a proof for verifying order and passage of time between events, and it is used to encode trustless passage of time into a ledger. One fun fact about Solana is that it achieves consensus using a proof-of-stake mechanism, as well as a proof-of-history mechanism, which Solana's white paper claims improves scalability, without sacrificing decentralization and security. Solana can handle 710,000 transactions per second, which is faster than the Ethereum blockchain. Let's take a close look on what Solana is all about. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button if you haven't done that. Solana is a blockchain network designed to host decentralized, scalable applications. Founded in 2017, Solana is an open-source project currently run by Solana Foundation based in Geneva, while the blockchain was built by San Francisco-based Solana Labs. Solana is much faster in terms of the number of transactions it can process, and has significantly lower transaction fees compared to rival blockchains like Ethereum. Solana's architecture satisfies all three desirable attributes for a blockchain: it's scalable, secure, and decentralized. Its architecture describes a theoretical upper limit of 710,000 TPS on a standard gigabit network, and 28.4 million TPS on a 40 gigabit network. Solana can power several applications that offer a variety of features, such as currencies, smart contracts, non-fungible tokens, decentralized finance, digital apps, and a proof-of-history approach. Where do Solana coins come from? We're going to be looking at that in this video. Please kindly like and subscribe to this channel, as we will be releasing more credible content for you guys to boost your knowledge about cryptocurrencies. As of November 2021, there were about 302 million SOL in circulation. Like many coins, Solana has a limited annual issuance, as coins are rewarded to those supporting the cryptocurrency. Solana began by increasing its supply by 8% annually, but that figure declines 15% each year, until it ultimately reaches 1.5% annually, which is its fixed ongoing issuance. Moreover, Solana uses a proof-of-stake system to verify transactions, manage its coin supply, and create new coins. To participate in a proof-of-stake system, you need to own the cryptocurrency, but then you can earn rewards for helping to operate the system by staking tokens with a validator. You're putting trust in the validator to authorize transactions. However, as with other proof-of-stake systems, you can lose money if validated transactions don't meet the system's rules. How to buy and sell Solana is quite easy. Download the Binance.us app or Coinbase and start the sign-up process. You will need a valid ID and may be asked for proof of address in order to transact, so be sure to have those ready. Verifying your ID may take longer than a few minutes, depending on where you live. After verifying your ID, then you head over to the Add Payment option, tap on the Payment Method box and connect a payment method. You can use a bank account, debit card, or initiate a wire. After adding a payment option, you select the asset you want to buy from the list of options. Search for Solana by typing Solana into the search bar. When you see Solana show up in the results, tap it to open up the purchase screen. Then you use the number pad to input the amount you want to spend in your local currency. The app will automatically convert that into a Solana amount. Tap the preview button when ready. You'll be shown the details of your purchase. Make sure everything looks good and then confirm your purchase. That's it, you've bought Solana. That's the video, guys. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel and also share to friends and crypto enthusiasts.